Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present Sloppy Joes. This classic American sandwich was invented back in the early 1900s and has been on a lunch menu of American tables ever since. The original homemade recipe uses brown sugar and a couple of other low-carb no-nos, and using a popular store-bought Sloppy Joe mix isn't much better either. Let's get started. Add 1 pound of ground beef to a skillet on medium-high heat and break it up a bit. Add the whites and greens of 5 stalks of green onions, about 1/3 cup, and add some finely diced bell pepper. Season with some salt, ground black pepper, and a little garlic powder. Cook until all the beef is brown and the vegetables have softened. At this point, you may want to drain the residual fat and have a little less sloppy experience. I'll be keeping it and reducing it by cooking it a bit longer. After the meat is browned, we'll add the classic Sloppy Joe flavor by adding some plain white vinegar, some of my low-carb Worcestershire sauce, just a touch of yellow mustard, and about 3/4 cup of reduced sugar ketchup. We'll finish by adding a liquid sugar substitute equal to 1 tablespoon of regular sugar. Now mix well until everything is fully incorporated. Serve hot on my low-carb hamburger buns and enjoy all the flavors of a classic Sloppy Joe without all the carbs. There you have it, folks, my low-carb Sloppy Joe sandwich recipe. Who says being on a low-carb diet can't be delicious and fun? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. I'll have something new every week. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.